Hello, my name is Sophia and I'm one of the main guides. I start my day at 8 a.m. My first task is giving the dogs a good breakfast. It's important that they start their day full of energy. Next, we clean up the kennel and prepare the equipment. When making up the teams, it's very important to know the personality of each and every dog, so that we have balanced and strong teams where all of the dogs are working well together. Now we are ready to welcome you. When the dogs see you dressed in your Arctic suit, they get really excited. Before you start your adventure, you will get instruction and a demonstration on how to drive the sled safely. Dog sledding is teamwork. The driver and passenger are a vital part of the team. Then you're ready to go. Your adventure ends in the lava with hot drinks and cake. And your husky team? Well, that was just the warm-up for them. After a quick snack, they are super excited to go again on another adventure. My name is Sophia, and with our kennel of 130 Alaskan Huskies, we are ready to give you the adventure of a lifetime.